Torx bit. Cover back over. You'll see there's one more clip here held in by these other tabs built into your seat frame. Right here, pretty much what you're gonna do is get your flathead again, just pop it right out. Same thing here, get your flathead in between there, and pop it. It has one hidden clip, it looks like, where this material is. There you go. So now that you've got all these clips removed from the seat pan, the frame, you're going to start pulling the cover inside out. Now reverse. Good. Now you've pretty much got your heating element removed. Once you've got that done, you're going to bring your foam cushion around, lay it out right here. Your foam cushion is pretty much going to be your guide. You're going to see where you pretty much the seat sat before, line it up here, the actual foam. There you go. And we're gonna mark where the clips go. So I'm gonna say, give it about 1/4 inch slack here. Let's say to here. This is your heating element tape. I'm gonna say the actual clip is here. So we're gonna put a little mark. Same thing. I'm gonna come here, mark, mark, and here. Now what this is gonna do is guide us. I wanna give maybe about, let's say 1/4 inch of slack for the new cover. So we'll stop there. From here all the way here, we'll make cuts. That'll come all the way down. I'm just using this Sharpie for a demonstration, just to show you where you'll be cutting. You don't need to go all the way to the top. You don't need to go all the way to the bottom. This is what you want to prevent from coming to cut. So pretty much it is just showing us where we need to make our incision to actually go ahead and fit the clip through. Now the new cover that we send you has a newer style listing where you're gonna just, these clip through. As soon as you push it through, it will clip and attach. So what you're gonna do is essentially cut the slope, make your slice through here and feed it through this foam cushion here, or sorry, this seat cover here, and then put it all back together. You just want to start with a nice simple incision cut. It's going to be very thick to get through. Once you go ahead and put that, so now that you've made your incision, you're going to feed this blue clip that you have here. It might be a little longer than expected, so you could trim it. Now for this, we're going to use tin snips. If you have pliers, wire cutters, anything, pretty much you can cut it. You're going to measure first, see where you need it to go. And same thing, just use your Sharpie, marker, pen on there. Make a little mark. Same thing here. This tells us the excess we need to cut. And the reason why we cut it a little longer is because some seats are different. And they're a little bit longer. The actual element portion. So we're gonna come on in, feed the clip through. Nice. To the lane. Bring your foam cushion. And down. Your heating element and clip will be right there as needed. Exactly where you want. Double check. You're just going to push this down into the clipped area. And this part I actually recommend using your flathead screwdriver again, just pretty much coming down, guiding it back into the channel. So once you finally cut your heating element pad open to fit the blue arrow clips through, it's going to look something like this with these holes here. And pretty much you're going to grab your foam cushion again, lay it, make sure. Now some Mercedes vehicles have this actual foam inlaid into the foam cushion. You're going to want to reuse that. I'm going to lay this on top like so. Feed your heating element wire through to the foam cushion. Line up everything before you put the cover on. It's nice, needs to be, and double check that you have spots to actually clip the foam cushion to when you get there. Everything looks good here. Everything looks good. Perfect. So then the next option, next step, move the cover over. So you have the cover. These J clips, these listings, blue arrows, have several different names. I'm just gonna feed it through. Grab it and pull. Grab it, pull through. Same thing. There you go. This is pretty much like attaching actual seat. Once you come around, you're gonna come to the foot. You're gonna hold this piece here with your finger. And with your other hand, you're just gonna wanna simply push down into the J channel. That's it. And it'll interlock. We'll grab it, snag, nice. Same thing here. I'm gonna come down, finger. Go either here, snap. It's locked in there. So once you got the cover installed, you got your heating element installed on all to the foam cushion. This is gonna be your end product. You're gonna go ahead and go install it pretty much on your frame. What I'll do is just drop back in there like so, and then you're just gonna inspect, make sure everything's in nice, tucked in, nice and tight. Right now we have the seat actually flipped inside out. You're gonna start slowly just pulling down around the corner. And as you're doing that, you're tugging to get that slack on there. Same thing. Bezel. You're good to go. So here's your end product before putting it back into your vehicle. Everything's nicely done. You have your seat bezel, everything installed. Heating element wire is fed through the frame to reattach it. Everything looks nice and neat. And that's it. Here's your end product.